Norman Manley, Norman Washington Manley, lawyer, advocate, founder, and leader, father, cousin, brother, and friend. This man was a dynamic man. He was born to be one of Jamaica's progressive champions. Norman Manley was a charismatic man. He was a true Jamaican hero. He was a man on a mission to change and progress the nation. Daddy Manley was a PNP man. Norman Manley gave his all to changing Jamaica's legacy. He made his mark and championed a different history. Son to a farmer and a strong woman called Margaret Shearer, Norman Manley was a Manchester man, a countryman, top-notch athlete, full of mettle and vigor. He went on to be an army man. Brilliant scholar and barrister, firm believer and proponent of the trade union movement. Manley understood and fought for the common man. He fought for the rights of everyone. He fought for adult suffrage. He fought for the right to vote. He fought not just for the right of men, he fought for the rights of women also. Without his contribution, we would not have lived to see the magnificent leadership of a vibrant, elegant, strong black woman, that of Portia Simpson Miller, fondly known as Sister P. Norman Manley gave his all to changing Jamaica's legacy. He made his mark and championed a different history. Daddy Manley's eyes were not blinded by hypocrisy. He fought for universal suffrage. He fought for equality, regardless of gender and social status, wealth, or ethnicity. Norman Manley was on a mission to change and progress the nation. Daddy Manley was a PNP man. Norman Manley gave his all to changing Jamaica's legacy. He made his mark and championed a different history. His contribution simply cannot be measured nor undone. He stood and called for a referendum. Norman Manley let the Jamaican people decide. It was to set the stage of fostering Jamaican pride. Soon after Jamaica gained independence from the United Kingdom, Norman Manley had led us through to breaking the chains and emancipating our minds, and on to maintain the course towards political freedom. Norman Manley said before he died that the mission of my generation was to win self-government for Jamaica, to win political power, which is the final power for the black masses of my country from which I spring. I am proud to stand here today and say to you who fought that fight with me, say it with gladness and pride. Mission accomplished for my generation. And what is the mission of this generation? It is reconstructing the social and economic society and life of Jamaica. Norman Manley gave his all to changing Jamaica's legacy. He made his mark and championed a different history.